Run it back. Run it back. Well, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Coily. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, just know your girl did her thing. Okay, I'm just real. I'm real proud of myself right now, okay? So if you want to see how I got this 2-strand twist out in under 30 minutes, make sure you stay tuned for this install, as well as the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
This is my hair. I don't care what nobody say. I mean, you saw me put the wig on, but shh, silence. let's run it back. Run it back because this came out better than I expected. Y'all saw my face when I put my glasses on because I couldn't see nothing. Even in my mirror, I was a little fuzzy. I didn't think it was as defined as this. Y'all, it came out better than I expected. Like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on this screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. As you all know, HerGivenHair comes for the pockets, okay? So before you go ahead and check that price out, just prepare yourself. Prepare to spend some coin, okay? But just know, if you spend some coin on this unit, look, y'all, can we say this my hair? Is that your hair, sis? Yeah, even with the cap being too small for my dome, HerGivenHair, I'm gonna need bigger caps. Like, I understand, not everybody's head is astronomical like mine, but a bigger cap would definitely do us justice, especially for the wig babes who do not have edges. Now, clearly I have edges, so I can bring mine out and kind of blend it, you know, with the hairline. But for those of us who do not have hair around the hairline, we need to make sure the hairline is hairlining. We gotta make sure it fits symmetrical around our face. We can't have our hairline all the way back here. That's not gonna look right. Now, I do have my wig grip on, and that does take a little bit of space away from the cap, so you know I ain't gonna front, but it's still smaller than 23 inches. So I'm on your neck, okay? I'm on the neck about the cap size, okay? But y'all see how we finessed this joint. You see how we finessed it? This right here is giving, I got a color and some twist out, but no damage. You hear me? Let's Now, I did go in and co-wash my unit. When I co-wash all my human hair units, I only use conditioner, and that's with hot water first and then cold water, okay? The texture is gorgeous, so if you want to just do a defined look, the curls are definitely giving kinky coily, and I'm here for it. I did have some shedding with this unit when I went in to co-wash it. However, it wasn't a lot, and I don't know if it's because this unit is shorter, but I didn't have no tangling or snags when I went to detangle this unit. I did use my, where's she at? I did use my Felicia Leatherwood brush. Like, it was brushing through no problem. So I'm here for that. And y'all saw that I used my one product, my frizz-free curl mousse. I have only used that product to define my curls, never on a twist out. So I'm really happy that I tried it. I didn't want to use any type of cream product. I wanted it to be very light and airy. This gave me exactly, okay, exactly what I needed. Perfection is her name, okay, because she, look. I use my old school clips. I used to use these a lot when I used to twist my little boo thing's hair in college or whatever. Yeah. Because he had dreads, so I want to make sure I lengthen the hair, and I don't want it to shrink up too much, because I know, like, once it dries, especially in that twist out, it's going to shrink a little bit. Y'all saw me put Betty Blower on Brenda, okay? Betty Blower is my little, you know, my little cap. I put her right on Brenda and dried her down in about 30 minutes. What I'm gonna sit here and wait 8 hours for? For what? What y'all think about this one? Again, the pockets, they hit in the pockets, okay? But do y'all see how this is sitting on me? Look, this is all lace. This is hair from the wig, y'all. Y'all saw how I did my little baby swoops on my little baby hairs? Y'all saw it? Y'all saw it? Like, who did it? Me. I did. Lace, 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 lace. The lace is tucked back over here. This is my edges over here. Okay, and then my sideburns over here, but that's lace right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see, look. Now, if you go all the way back yonder and see my first HerGivenHair video, I didn't know how to work a natural hair wig. It was my first one, and it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. It came out okay for my first time, but it just wasn't, I wanted this, okay? I wanted this, and now that I got it, who gonna stop me now? Listen. I am about to go show out. What's this one? Wait a minute, hold on. This one it's a little lengthy back there. Hold on, let me get that one up. Oh, it looks so good. If I want to like do like a little pin over situation, like this, or do like a little headband, like that. Y'all, honest opinions, okay? Honest opinions. What do you think? If you don't like it, it's cool, okay? It's cool, but that's what we talking about. We ain't talking about the price. Don't give me a thumbs down because you don't like the price. I mean, I told told you from jump what it was. Stop hating on me for a wig that I didn't make, okay? I didn't price it. I didn't price it. But tell me what you think about the styling and, you know, the process to get here. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put all my specs in the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.